Here we are, ready to fly. Microsoft Flight Simulator from Vancouver International to Chatterbox Falls. It's Sunday, October 19th or 20th. Live weather too. I got that, so I can turn AI on. Take off and everything, or I can override it. On or off. Well, here we go. Ready to fly. I'm going to adjust my angle and outside. I'm just gonna, I got it already mapped out. There we go, hit the button. AI off. Any given time, I can turn it off, control it, and then say abort if that lazy. There we go. I overrode it. Put everything up, and then set my there we go. Let's just go right to the put AI back on again. Yeah, see, I can move the controller and it doesn't do anything. And actually, fly around. You look on the map. The circle, which is the flight plan. We'll just fly. Not sure how long. I can actually take over and go over speed if I want. Last time I don't even know what happened, but I crashed. I'll have to watch the replay. Typically create a contact. This is all AI. Flying the plane. And like I said, it's a little different than autopilot. It's doing all the controls, and I know Microsoft is going to implement this with some of the military craft. Because what I'm doing right now, you got in real life. One button. On and off. So if you're blacking out or you're incapacitated, you hit one button. Then the aircraft or drones should fly home to wherever its flight path is, back to its home base. So, here we are. Sunday afternoon with my fan. And you see I can look. I've got that to go back automatically to the middle. It isn't too bad. You don't got to worry about it. It always goes back to your main position. I like to be around there, looking down. And we're outside, and you can. It's nice when you're in this AI mode. You can turn off the map. You can actually see. I can change that so it's just me, but obviously it's got a military pilot in there now, and pretty cool. Look at the rain. That's actually live weather for satellite terrain. The system is decent computer, but it's not even super hot or super high-end. It works pretty flawless. This is 2020. I actually prefer it because I think they took the AI out from 2021. I don't know why. So, oh yeah, flying along, going. I don't know why it crashed before I had it on the AI. Still quite a ways to go. I mean, here's Vancouver, and there's the island. There's over here. Oh yeah, I don't see it. Yeah, that one's bigger than the Vancouver area. This is live aircraft in the air. See in there? So those are actually aircraft numbers. Yeah, that's Vancouver Island. That's huge island. There's a Vancouver inland, all areas. We're flying right up the middle, like Cologne is over here somewhere. Oh well, somewhere up there. So they're going to fly up there, check out these falls, and I might do some other canyon rides. Over there. Yeah, that's cool. Oh no, burn. Burn. Yeah, I'm not well. Anyways, I'm going back in it. So I'll get back to GPS tracking.
Frequency change approved. Squawk 1200. Frequency change approved. SUPERGEEKAi Sierra Uniform Papa Echo Romeo Golf Echo.
Look at these mountains though. Like these
Vancouver
make
Center SUPERGEEKAi Sierra
little
Uniform
valleys.
Papa Echo Romeo
That
Golf
makes the Grand
Echo.
Canyon
Type
look
going
up.
15 miles northeast of Charlie Alpha Papa Tree 5,700 feet. Request flight following.
The eyes talking. And like I said, I can hit one button and turn it all off. Look at that.
SUPERGEEKAi Sierra Uniform Papa Echo Romeo Golf Echo Vancouver Center. Squawk 0734.
Yeah, you can see custom arrival. It's just pretty cool. Just to look down and see the hills and the valleys, canyons. These are, some of these are just massive, but the one I'm going to, the falls are bigger than Niagara Falls.
Roger, SUPERGEEKAi Sierra Uniform Papa Echo Romeo Golf Echo.
We're doing everything. I'm trying to walk there. Fly. I'm in control. After turning on.
Vancouver Center SUPERGEEKAi Sierra Uniform Papa Echo Romeo Golf
It's
Echo.
all up and down.
Request clearance to transition Charlie airspace.
We're up.
SUPERGEEKAi Sierra Uniform Papa Echo
We're
Romeo
going
Golf
up and
Echo
down.
Vancouver Center.
power from these wow.
Clear through Charlie Airspace, SUPERGEEKAi Sierra
Feel the
Uniform
weight of
Echo
this
Romeo Golf Echo.
G-forces. I think the afterburner was kind of insulating your handling things. It was really turned off, but I'm looking on the edge. It didn't turn off the edge. Not all of it. Some of it. That was sick. I tried. It was tough to see. Wow. Almost lost my bearings. I get turn the AI back on. We'll turn the afterburner on. Instead of going only a couple thousand miles, but I can get there a lot faster. Oh, what's this? Oh, wow. Maybe. That would have been good. But, simulator, damn it up. No idea where I am. AI back on. I don't know if I'm loud now. Oh, there we go. Oh no. Oh, wow. Wow. I just turned the AI off to get over that mountain. Wow. Okay, full afterburn. Let's get some altitude. Now. 9,000. It's about 20,000. Now, let the AI try to bring it down, do a flyby, see if we can see this fault. The all faults here. Map up where I'm going. I'm gonna get over this mountain. It's on the other side, so I may have to take over again. Okay, wait. Okay. You take over. I gotta get over this mountain. On the side. I didn't want the AI to fly me into a mountain. That's pretty cool. Huh. That's weird. Huh. Oh. Wow. Airspeed 399. we can swoop in. On the other side, maybe it comes from this water. Back. Pretty cool scenery for that. Yeah. Read it again there. Oh, not that now. Well, I don't see it, but I know it's in here somewhere. They want me to stop. Go away! Now! Scooby-Doo. Maybe it's not. If you really find it. Well, I do believe I'm going to see if you bring her into Florida. Okay, whoa! Turn on Go away! Whoa! Go away! Whoa! Go away! Go away! Whoa!
Charlie Yankee Charlie Mike traffic SUPERGEEKaI Sierra uniform Papa Echo
AI
Romeo
back
Echo
on.
5 miles southeast 15,800 feet inbound to land.
And I'm gonna go check on Doug. Go away! Hopefully I'm still recording. It is gonna try to fly to let's see. No, it's supposed to go to. Yeah, it's going to Stewart. On position.
Charlie Yankee Charlie Mike traffic SUPERGEEKaI Sierra uniform Papa Echo Romeo Golf Echo 48 miles southeast 14,900 feet inbound to land runway 08.
We got you on. With me on the map. AI is ready to land. Flight the flight. See the airspeed indicator, 210 knots. Remember, AI control 15,900 my altitude. Uh-oh. That's not good. I think I left the fuel wheel not unloaded. I may run out of fuel. Huh. Go.
The crashes, you know why.
This. Wow, such a nice area. This is in Canada. We're out. There's actually another aircraft. To my right. See up higher than up there. See right down there. There it is. Right there. How big is that thing? Over there, around there. I can't find them. But let's just enjoy the flight. I don't know if it's going to make it in. This is coming in here. Oh, maybe there's two of that. There. No idea where I'm at. Oh, yeah, yeah. Fuel's low.
Fuel low.
There
Fuel
we go.
low.
Crash.
Fuel low.
Fuel low.
Fuel low. Fuel low. Fuel low. Fuel low. Fuel low.
I have no idea where it's going to land. Oh well. Let's see what happens. Maybe I'll skip it ahead to find out. Go back to the opposition.
Charlie Yankee Charlie Mike traffic Super Geek Sierra Uniform Papa Echo Romeo Golf Echo 2 3 miles southeast 10,500 feet inbound to land runway 08.
Oh no. 2 miles out. Oh, maybe that. That's it. Stewart Island Airstrip. So, up here. And well, still coming in. Or landing. Stewart Island. I think I've run afterburn. Not mean I'm out of fuel? Uh-oh. Okay, getting out of fuel. Shit. Uh-oh.
Fuel low. Fuel low.
I just ran out of fuel.
Fuel low.
Stewart Island Airstrip. Okay. I'm still recording now. Gear down. 10 nautical miles. Oh, maybe not. Gear back up. Flaps up. Flaps up. Uh-oh. The flaps are on auto or something. They will not go up. I'm trying to point down to get more airspeed. Turn 70 knots. I may have to get you. 50. I don't know what that beep is. You telling me I'm out of fuel? I might have to ditch. Yes. Winding down. Oh no. Stalling. $70. Okay, I'm gonna ditch him. Whoa. Uh-oh. I'm in the water. Wow. We are... Wow, it's a pretty hard lake. We're down. Look around.
CYCM traffic super.
Pretty cool.
CYCM traffic super.
Just short.
48 miles southeast 1.900
But pretty cool
feet
scenery.
inbound to land runway 08.
That's it.